YouTube team LOL here. So like I said last video, we're doing a Phantom Darkness opening, and yeah, so here they are. Let's start. Yeah, these are old packs. Like I don't even know if they have the rare and oh shit. Elemental Hero Stormneos.
They don't worth anything.
I don't know anything in this pack except Dad.
Hey, look at that.
Rare Dark Eyes Illusionist. Next pack. Armageddon Knight Super.
Sweet.
Proving Ground. So, oh, Dark Eruption. So, what? 4?
Pretty boss.
Pretty boss. Last pack. Hope it's Dad. Come on. Dad. Feels like,
Not a dad.
No, Future Samurai. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Peace out.